A municipality or town in Maguindanao del Norte has been rocked by an act of election-related violence with the prevailing conditions and tribalistic climate among candidates. The poll body is left with no option but to take charge and control the status quo, as our Luisa Erispe reports.
An election officer in Datu Odin Sinsuat, Attorney Maceda Abo, was shot to death along with her husband Jojo Abo this morning of March 26, 2025. Based on this video, her husband is still seen lying inside an SUV, seated on the driver's side. Due to this incident, the COMELEC will recommend to put Datu Odin Sinsuat under COMELEC control.
Ako mismo ay magre-recommend sa Commission and Bank na ang Datu Odin Sinsuat ay ilagay sa COMELEC control.
In COMELEC's defense, this is not a rushed or hasty decision, as these election-related acts of violence happened in the area several times. And most importantly, this happened after the Peace Covenant, where the local government signed and promised a peaceful campaign and elections.
At this point, ano pa ba naman ang magiging konklusyon halimbawa ng COMELEC kung hindi election-related violence yan? At nangyari pa naman doon sa lugar kung saan nagkaroon tayo ng lagdaang ng kapayapaan para namang sinusubukan yung kapangyarihan ng Commission on Elections at haba ng ating pasensya sa mga ganitong bagay.
The poll body plans to take control of the locality before campaign starts on Friday. They are already coordinating with the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police for the support and backup.
May mga ilan ang karahasan na nangyari nito mga nakaraang linggo at buwan dyan sa lugar na yan. Kaya palagay ko nararapat na lang na mailagay sa COMELEC control. Sinasabi natin, wag na wag ang COMELEC officials or employees namin. Sinasabi namin, wag na wag ang mga botante na sasaktan, tatakutin o ite-terrorize sapagkat hindi po papayag ang COMELEC sa ganyang bagay.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.